Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, I have opened Euro JPY pair. Okay, just now I have gone with buyers. Why? If you understand by seeing the market, you can understand the market is trying to move to the next level, which means minor uptrend. So according to that area only, I have taken with buying candle. You can ask why you have gone with buyers. Here previously 2 times the market has been respected, and this time the market has been reversed in the middle, and if you notice, buyers are getting stronger comparing to the previous candle, so easily you can expect a buying candle here. So with that point I have gone with buyers, and previously the market is trying to move up, so according to this kind of area I can easily go with buyers. Okay, what is the next candle? Do you have any idea? When the market is already trying to go up means, yeah, you can follow the momentum. Just now the momentum, still there is a gap, so easily you can go with buyers. And left side there is a level which is somewhat far, so up to that area easily you can go with buyers continuously. So whenever if you get this kind of trendy markets, try to grab the opportunities, because these kind of markets will give you more accurate trades. And one more thing, you didn't get any type of confusion. Easily you can understand the levels, easily you can find the trend lines to draw, and easily you can plot the horizontal levels. If you got the sideways market, you should trade at the major levels only. But in the trendy market, you may get number of opportunities with the help of trend line and with the help of horizontal line. Okay, so try to understand these points. Okay, what is the next candle now? Here finally we got win. It's okay. Okay, what is the next candle? Okay, let me draw a line here, maybe possible. Okay, rejection. Okay, 50-50 chances I will go with sellers, because major area, it is an area where every time the market has been respected, from that particular area you have a rejection, which is a longer one. So I am expecting a sellers, that's why I have taken one single trade. It's okay. If it is win, it's okay. If it is loss, we will continue that the buyers want to fulfill the gap. Sometimes it will fulfill, sometimes it will give you instant reversals. So try to understand these points whenever you are trading in the market. So every time the market won't give you opportunities, you should understand the points, you should grab the opportunities. Okay, every time in the uptrend, most of the times you should focus on the buying candle only, not the sellers. Okay, so even if the sellers are enters also, it's okay. See, here we got loss. So what is our rule now? Yeah, we will continue with buyers, because up to the next level the sellers are not at all interested, so that's why it has given us one more buying candle. So it is a confirmation that I could take trades up to the level which have been plotted. Okay, which is a resistance area. If you really like our content, give us a like, which will motivate us to make more videos regarding trading. Okay, and in the YouTube Premium we have uploaded the course. If you are interested, yeah, you can take and have a look over it. In that, each video have huge examples, which means minimum 10 examples, how to plot the levels, where to take trades. These all points have been mentioned, so try to check over it if possible. See here, finally the buyers have been entered strongly, and in this video I will try to make a question for you if I get the question. Okay, breakout reversal. It is a major area every time the market is respecting, so easily I will go with sellers here. Okay, so don't go blindly, because levels will matter. See, left side, it is the area where every time the sellers have been entered continuously, so we should respect those kind of things. So that's why I have gone with sellers. Okay, when you don't understand the trades, try to watch again, try to observe the trend, then according to that easily you can find the opportunities, and easily you can understand what I am exact talking about. Okay, the sellers are interested. Obviously the sellers will enter, because it's a selling area. Previously so many times the sellers have been entered continuously, so easily we can go with sellers here. Still 5 seconds left, so easily the sellers have been entered. Okay, here we got one. What is the next candle? already momentum. Can I expect buyers again, or I could expect one more retracement here? Here, if you notice one point, it is a major area, which means a strong area where the sellers have been entered. So that's why I will go with one more selling candle here. Okay. Because you need to understand that the major level means we should respect that it could expect one or two. Sometimes it will continue, sometimes it won't. So according to that, take decisions. Okay. Now the question is, I got the question now. What is the next candle? We are in a uptrend, sorry, minor uptrend, and there is a momentum after two retracements. What is the next candle? I think you have got answers. Okay. Okay. Now, according to you, after two retracements in a momentum, yes, we should go with buyers here. Okay. Okay. I will do one thing. I will take for buyers. What if here sellers will come? My question is, I have gone with buyers now. Suppose if the candle came sellers means, what is the reason behind it? Okay. So if you know the reason, just comment it, because most of the people will know the reason. Maybe my students could know easily better. So that's why I am mentioning this point. If this is a selling candle, what will be the reason of sellers? Because we all seen after momentum two retracements, we should expect, yeah, here we got a weak candle too. So still the sellers are entering means, what is the reason? Because every time there is no rule that after two retracements the market need to show you one more buying candle. Am I right? So now, okay, I will do one thing. Now I will confidently go with sellers. That is the question previous trade. So try to answer it in the comments. Maybe I could get good answers from you. Okay. So easily you can go with sellers here, because continuously the sellers are interesting. And one more thing, previous candle is a inverted hammer which rejected from the major area. So obviously the sellers are being interested. Okay. So try to go with sellers here. So every time the market won't stick to a rule, because according to the situation it will behave. So by seeing the conditions, you should understand the points. Don't go blindly every time, because without any reason market won't make a reversal. Without any reason the market won't continue. Okay. So try to understand these points. Okay. Now what is the next candle? Okay. Now I will go with buyers. 1 second. Let me take trade. Okay. Okay. First of all, let me take trade. Oh, entry. 1 second. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Anyways, I will go with buyers here. 1 second. Yes. Because easily we can win. Okay. Can you find the reason for this also? Yeah, it is a buying candle. Yeah, I have gone with buyers. Easily the buyers will enter, even I know that. But why? Any reason, any specific reason that buyers will enter here? Because do you find any level or anything? Kindly mention in the comments, because by understanding only you can find the answers. Don't watch blindly the videos, because nothing will get onto the mind. So just adopt the things, practice on charts. Easily you can win the market. So why I have gone with buyers? Okay, what is the next candle now? Should I go with sellers? Yes, I will go with sellers. We'll see what will happen. And second, let me go with sellers. Because the market is coming from a strong area, I have only two reasons that after momentum I can expect a selling candle. Okay. Okay. If we have one more retracement means, what is the next candle then? Because in this video only you have total 3 questions. That previously, why we didn't get a buying retracement. Second thing, why previous candle was a buying candle all of a sudden. And present one, why we got a buying candle. Okay. Now, I don't think so this was a retracement. It is a strong candle. So next candle I will go with strongly buyers. Okay. Oh, I got nice entry. Anyways, it's okay. Because overall trend is an uptrend. The market is moving to minor trend also an uptrend. So it's okay that you could follow maximum number of buyers. Easily you could win the trades. The possibility is also more. So according to that only, we can take trades easily. I think we have taken so many trades. Okay, we'll see what will happen. So here easily I will go with buyers because previous candle doesn't look like as a retracement. So according to that, I can go with buyers. And one more thing, I have a trend favor which is a uptrend. So easily I could go to the next level. See, finally we got pin. Okay, here I have a doji candle. Doji at the level which indicates no buyers are interested. So I will go with sellers here. Okay. Okay, here easily I can go with sellers. 1 second, entry, it's a late entry. But how can you say there is a doji? Yes, obviously doji has been appeared at the level which was a left side area. So obviously at the level the buyers are strong, but all of a sudden we got a doji means what do you expect? We all know that at the level doji candle reversal sign. So obviously you can expect a selling candle here. So that's why only I have gone with sellers. What is the next candle now? Already buyers have been weak. The sellers are getting strong. Still there is a gap for the next level. What is your call for the next thing? Easily you can go with sellers here. Try to go with sellers because in these kind of areas you should observe 2 points. One, the market is coming from a selling area. Second thing, we got a doji candle, and after that we got a strong selling candle. So according to that, easily you can get a point that buyers are not at all interested, that the sellers can lead from here. So according to you, easily go with sellers to the next level. So try to understand these points. Whenever you are trading, try to check the levels. I have just plotted the levels. I have nothing added much more. So you can understand. Here it is a zone where the selling area has been formed. So try to understand these points. So by this easily you can identify the areas where the sellers are coming from, where the buyers are entering from. Okay. What is the next candle now? I think how many of you predicted correct with me? Are you predicting or not? Try to predict, and if you have a score that out of 14 how many you got, yeah, try to check, because today I will gonna take minimum 12 or 13 trades, so that's why. Okay. So here I have gone with sellers again because you all know, you can check my history. I think mine is 3 losses as of now. What about your score? Kindly comment. See, obviously, easily you can expect a selling candle because already you know I have explained the point why I am continuously going with sellers. Still there is a gap, so the market easily will fulfill the gap. So according to that area, easily you can go with sellers. Now, what is the next candle? If you see, next you will go with buyers. Why? If you observe the previous candle, which is a strong one, and left side you have a buying area just now rejected from that area. So easily you can expect a buying candle, at least one. So try to go with buyers. I think I have taken so many trades. So I will do one thing. This is my last trade. After winning, I will close the session. Okay. So left side you have a buying area. So easily you can expect a buying candle here. So according to that reasons only, I have gone with buyers. When you find the good chart, then you can find the best trades. Remember these things. Don't go with sideways market because it may confuse you. So try to understand these points. Here is my level. Easily you can find the trades. So finally we got win. Okay guys, have a nice day. Thank you. Take care.